Hi there, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I wanted to bring you a quick tip. If you're wanting to make a cylinder for something like a paper birthday cake, in this case, this one here, so we've got 3 different levels, and they're all circles or cylinders. Use your dies to help you get the perfect shape. So I've grabbed a circle die. Cut your strip longer than you want it to be. Use your bone folder to soften the paper, so just run it through. Helps to soften it up to get it to curve. And then put a little bit of glue on each end of your strip. So you want your strip to be much longer than the final cylinder. So a little glue on each end, opposite sides, and then use your die to slip it in the circle. Once it's inside the circle die, just pull it against the side. So see how the circle die is just helping to keep the shape. So I'm pulling it outward against the circle die until it won't go anymore, and then just press down on the end pieces that you've put your glue, and so it's going to create that perfect circle. So using your die to help give you the shape. You could probably do it with a square die as well, square or rectangle, and just push against the edges to get you that perfect shape, but squares and rectangles are easier to do. When you take it out, you end up with the perfect circle cylinder. So that's just a quick tip for you if you're trying to make cylindrical shapes for something like a birthday cake and you don't have anything to put against it. That's a quick tip. So hope you like that. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for future videos and tips. And if you want to purchase any Stampin' Up! Products and you're in New Zealand, you don't already have a demonstrator, please go to michellekritchley.stampinup.net, and you can get other ideas from my blog at papercraftaddiction.blogspot.co.nz. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy that tip. Bye!